Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your Aternos Minecraft server. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to aternos.org/servers. Then from here, go ahead and find that server you like to back up. So I've got this one here. This is a test server. Now once I've clicked into it, you're going to see on the left hand side we've got different options or tabs. Click onto one that says backups. Now click onto backups. Now I've already created a backup in the past, but basically what we need to do is connect into it. So sign into your backups using Google Drive or Drive using your Google account. And once you've done that, you should see something similar to this. Then from here, you should say create backup, and then with your Google account. So give this backup a name. So I'm going to call this one test2. And then click create backup. Now what this is going to do, this is going to create the backup below this, and then it's going to appear here. Now if you want to delete any backups or restore backups, we can delete it or restore your backup for that server.